The power of passive income. Top 15 methods for a more financially secure future. In today's fast-paced world, the quest for financial independence is more pronounced than ever. While active income requires direct efforts, passive income streams offer the allure of earning even while you sleep. Achieving a reliable passive income can diversify one's financial portfolio, provide a safety net, and pave the way for early retirement. Here's a persuasive look at the top 15 methods to create a robust passive income. Dividend stocks. Companies distribute a part of their profits to shareholders as dividends. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can reap regular payouts without selling your shares. Rental properties. Real estate has always been a valuable asset class. Owning rental properties ensures consistent monthly income while benefiting from property appreciation. Create a blog or YouTube channel. With ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, popular blogs and YouTube channels can turn into lucrative passive income sources over time. Write a book. If you have expertise or a captivating story, write a book. Royalties can provide income for years after the initial effort. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses online, earning interest over time. Develop an app. The digital age offers vast potential. If you have a groundbreaking app idea, developing it can lead to regular earnings from downloads, in-app purchases, or ads. License your photography or art. Websites like Shutterstock or Getty Images allow creators to sell licenses for their work, resulting in repeated earnings. Sell digital courses. Use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to create and sell courses on subjects you're knowledgeable in, garnering income from each sale. Create software or a mobile app. If you possess the skills or can hire someone, developing software or apps that answer a particular need can generate substantial passive income. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your website or blog and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Purchase or create an online business. Websites can be lucrative assets. Either build one around a niche you're passionate about or buy an existing one to benefit from its established traffic and income. Buy bonds. Lending money to companies or the government can earn you regular interest payments. Automated dropshipping. Unlike traditional retail, dropshipping doesn't require inventory. With automation tools, the process can be largely hands-off, bringing in income with minimal effort. REITs. Real estate investment trusts. If direct real estate investment isn't feasible, REITs offer a way to invest in properties and earn dividends without buying physical real estate. Create an online subscription service. Be it exclusive content, specialized tools, or premium services, a subscription model ensures recurring revenue from loyal customers. Conclusion. The road to financial freedom is paved with smart decisions, investments, and diversification. Passive income streams, while sometimes requiring upfront effort or capital, can yield long-term returns, offering both peace of mind and financial growth. By exploring these top 15 methods, individuals can harness the transformative power of passive income, ultimately creating a more prosperous and secure future.